So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Apple ID grayed out and it's not working. As you can see, this time Apple ID has been grayed out and it's disabled and not working anything on this iPhone Apple ID. If you're also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone, iPad, in this video I will show you how to fix. Firstly, you need to scroll down and move to the first solution. The first solution is tap on screen time. Okay, just tap on screen time. After that, you need to scroll down again. Okay, you can see a person screen here are showing content and privacy restriction. Tap on that. You can see a person screen. There are many options showing here. You just need to scroll down little bottom and find here account changes. You can see a person screen. Don't allow. Just tap on allow and then go back. Okay, and check your Apple ID again. Okay, you can see appears on screen. This time is Apple ID has been activated and it's working. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Okay, make sure you correctly force to restart your iPhone and your iPhone is connected with Wi-Fi or cellular data. Okay, if you are not connected with Wi-Fi or cellular data, just connect your iPhone and then try it again. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again. Okay, tap on general. Okay, after that you need to scroll down again. Okay, you can see appears on screen here are showing transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap your transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, now tap on transfer or reset iPhone option reset. Okay, now you can see appears on screen reset network setting. Just tap on reset network setting and apply it on your iPhone. So friends, by following these 2 to 3 steps, you can easily fix that your iPhone Apple ID grayed out or disable. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.